Does your company need better communication?
We're going that way, so come with me.
Do you need to empower your leaders?
You can be the leader that you want.
Do you need to motivate your teams?
We all are going to create fire in this room. Are you ready?
Then get ready for a powerful training experience. Ricardo Cabete,
Has to be practice, practice, practice.
international speaker, emotional intelligence expert, European champion of public speaking, delivers presentations all around the globe for major organizations. Leadership, communication, and emotional intelligence corporate training with science-based techniques,
Is training our brain.
online or in person.
Are you ready to create fire?
Powerful motivational keynotes. For your next event, book Ricardo Cabete.